In this video, we'll guide you through preparing a CSV file to import contacts and groups into the Reach app. To ensure a smooth import process, your file must follow the correct structure. Let's create a CSV file from scratch. First, open a browser on your computer. Go to Google Docs and open Sheets from the side menu. Click Blank Spreadsheet to create a new file. Now, let's set up the structure of our CSV file. For a successful import, we could create a CSV file with just one mandatory column, address, and fill it with the necessary contact details. However, in most cases, we'll also need the first and last names for each contact. So, let's create a CSV file with 3 columns: first, last, and address, to keep our contact list well organized. Let's add our first contact, James Anderson. Add his phone number to the address column. Let's add a second contact, Olivia Thomas. Add her phone number to the address column. Once you are done, save the file. Go to File, Download, Separated Values. Our file is ready. It's time to import it into Reach and see how it works. Open the Reach app and select the group where you would like to add new contacts. Tap the button at the bottom left corner to open a drop-down menu. Select CSV, then choose Import CSV from PC Mac. A code will appear on your device. On your computer, open a browser and go to reachtheapp.com/CSV. Enter the code displayed on your mobile device. Click Choose File and select your prepared CSV file. Then, click Upload. Return to your mobile device and tap the Import CSV button to proceed. Here, you can customize preferences for all the contacts you're adding. Select a default communication method. Choose whether to use phone numbers or email addresses for messaging, and enable automatic translation for messages in the selected language. Once you've configured your preferences, tap Done to finish the import process. And that's it. Your contacts have been successfully imported into Reach and are ready to use. Let's go back to our CSV file and add more details. If you want to send an email instead of a text message, you can add the contact's email address in the address column. For example, let's add another contact with the email address, Emma Wilson, and her email address. As you may have noticed earlier, some column names in Reach are pre-configured and reserved. We've already used columns like first, last, and address. We'll look at other pre-configured column names later, but for now, let's move on to creating custom columns. These columns can have any name you choose, but they must not match any of reserved column names in Reach. You can create unlimited custom columns, such as company name, location, department, or anything else you need. When importing your file into Reach, these columns will automatically be recognized as template fields, and they can be used dynamically in messages. For more details on using template fields, check the link below. In addition to first, last, and address, Reach also has pre-configured columns for specific settings: nickname, relationship, via, translation. These pre-configured column names cannot be used as template fields. One more time, these columns are pre-configured in Reach, while these are custom. Let's add 2 more contacts and include some template fields. Daniel Carter. Add his phone number to the address column. Company name, Tech Innovations. Location, San Francisco. Department Marketing, Sophia Martinez. And her email address. Company name, Green Solutions. Location, New York. Department, Customer Support. Once you're done, save the file. Go to File, Download, Separated Values. That's it. You can now import a CSV file from a PC or Mac, or transfer it to your mobile device to import. For detailed instructions on the import process, check the links below.